Hey guys, so I got a comment on one of my videos about the YDD lightsaber, and the commenter said that they had accidentally put their saber into silent mode, and that's not cool because, like, you know, you want the saber to make noise, and he doesn't know how to make it make noise again. So silent mode is very useful, but yeah, it's nice to have a saber that actually like makes noise if it's supposed to. So here's how you do that. So make sure the saber's off. Whoops. Okay, so the saber's off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this up to the camera so that the microphone picks it up. But I'm going to press and hold the button down. So ready? So it made a noise. I think that noise was supposed to be the number 1, which corresponds to this sound font. The saber has 3 sound fonts. Okay, so if I press and hold the button down again until it makes a noise, that's number 2, right? 3. That actually almost sounded like it said 3, and then if I press and hold again, something mode. I think it's supposed to say silent mode, but yeah, so now the saber's in silent mode. If I press and hold 1, 2, 3, so this is the dark saber sound font 3. Press and hold. Silent mode. Okay. Start the saber. Doesn't have any sound effects. Is that clear? Okay, so now from silent mode, press and hold. 1, 2. Okay, here's sound font number 2. Okay, hopefully that clarifies how to get out of silent mode and how to switch between the different sound fonts on the YDD Ghost. This is the YDD Ghost saber. So if that helped you, please help me by hitting the like button, because that really helps me. Subscriptions are awesome too, because I can use those. And I have new merch, so I'll put the link in the video below. And actually, I make these, if anybody wants one of these. And can you tell me what symbol is in the bottom of this pot that I made? Also, check out my medallion here. I made that too. Alright guys, have a great day. See if you can help somebody. I hope this helped you. Take care. May the Force be with you.